I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Zotero and the browser connector so saving sources is instant. Open the Mac app, sign in to sync across devices, and choose whether to use Zotero Cloud or a linked folder for attachments. Once done, enable the connector in your browser and test with a single article. This verifies metadata capture. Make sure to set your preferred citation style in Preferences. That saves time when exporting bibliographies later. Next, you organize and import. Create collections for each project, then drag PDFs or use the connector to import items. Use Retrieve Metadata to fill details automatically. Once items are in, add tags and related links to speed later searches. If you have a Downloads folder, set a Watch folder for automatic import so nothing slips through. Also, link full-text PDFs to records for instant access. This makes annotation and citation insertion faster when writing. Finally, integrate Zotero with your writing and keep data safe. Install the Word or LibreOffice plugin to insert citations and generate bibliographies. Choose your citation style and update as you write. Sync regularly and monitor storage limits to prevent failed uploads. If a reference looks wrong, edit fields directly or re-import using the DOI or ISBN. If syncing fails, quit Zotero, check your internet and credentials, then relaunch. That fixes most sync and upload issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.